In this video we'll look at working with drawing files. There are a number of ways to open a drawing in BricsCAD. From the Start screen you can click on Open Drawing and browse to your drawing files. DWG is the default file format, but we can also open other formats such as IFC or SketchUp among others. If we open multiple drawings, a tab for each drawing is displayed at the top of the drawing window. You can then activate a specific drawing by selecting its corresponding tab. You can also go to File, Open from the menu bar. The command line can also be used by entering Open. Once inside the workspace, there are further options to start creating a new drawing. You could go to File, New, or click on the plus symbol beside the Drawing tab. The command line can also be used by entering New. When you start a drawing session, your initial working area will be the model space. Model space is an area in which you create two-dimensional and three-dimensional entities, based on the world coordinate or user coordinate systems. And if we select one of these layout tabs, we'll open onto a paper space. This represents a paper layout of your drawing, allowing you to create and arrange different views of your drawing, similar to the way you arrange drawings on a sheet of paper. In paper space you can include print-related entities such as keynotes, annotations, borders, and title blocks, for example. And if you right-click on the tab, you can give it another name. Let's look at some of the viewing options in BricsCAD, and see how to navigate around your drawing. If you're using a scroll wheel, you can zoom in and zoom out your drawing by simply rolling the scroll wheel back and forth. This is a dynamic function, so it will respond to wherever your mouse is positioned on the drawing. Holding the mouse wheel down will grab the drawing, allowing you to position it anywhere on the canvas. By entering Z in the command line, you will execute a zoom command. This is a zoom window allowing you to zoom into a selected region of the drawing. The Look From, here in the top of the screen, gives you an option to view your drawing from predefined orientations or viewpoints. The Save As dialog allows you to save your drawing in native DWG or DXF file types. You can save as backward-compatible file versions, or export to other CAD application formats. A full list of all supported file format options is available in the Help Center. And this concludes our lesson on working with drawing files.